Okay, come, children. Let's finish up with this worksheet. All right. And later we'll be doing a little bit of Kahoot, plus a little bit of extra question. All right. So this is like the last lesson for the P5 syllabus. All right. So let's go and try to attempt them. Let's go. Okay. All right. The thing I love about P5 and P6, you all know what or not? Can use calculator. All right. So my calculator is here. So this year I was given primary 3 and primary 4 to teach. So primary 3, primary 4 cannot use calculator. I'm so angry, you know. All right, but today I can use my calculator. All right, and just to let you know, my calculator name is called Sally. All right, so sometimes I say the word Sally. All right, it is my calculator. All right, I'm not calling your mommy. All right, no, some of your mommy is called Sally. That's scary. All right, so if I call Sally, right, it's my calculator. It's not your mommy. Right, and don't go around telling your daddy that I call your mommy. That's so scary. Okay. So let me admit one more of your student, Krista, into class. All right. Hello, Krista. My name is Bernd Ong. All right. So children, can I just say something? You guys are seriously amazing, you know. Finish exam already and you still participated in the worksheet. Thank you so much. All right, I saw that Jesslyn participated in the worksheet. I saw that Gerald also participated in the worksheet. And I saw Krista participating in the worksheet. Very good, huh? Finish exam, still do your worksheet. Very good. All right, very, very good attitude. Seriously. All right, so this type of kiasu attitude will be very good for you in primary 6. Right, so primary 6, you must seriously put in your effort, your initiative, and that's how you score the what? AL1. Right, try to aim for the AL1. Can do it one. All right, Krista, if your video is working, you can turn it on. Thank you so much. Okay, come. So question number 1, right, you're supposed to find the decimals in the box. Ne, the decimal down here lah. Ne. Ne, can you see not? Ne, this is the answer lah. Not funny. Sorry. You all know the meaning of decimal, right? Decimal is the dot, right? Then the question mark got the dot one. Then isn't this a decimal? Ne? You must write ne. This is the answer. Okay, you all don't get it. Okay, never mind. You all no fun, right? You all so serious. My goodness, what's wrong with you guys? You're supposed to be learning is fun, what? Never mind. I joke with myself. Okay, so children, this is our question, right? Is what I call what? Gap and difference. All right, gap and difference. And you use this method every time, children. I tell you, all the question you can do one. All the question you can do. You see, how many gaps do you have? 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter, 4 gaps, 5 liter, 6 liter, 7 liter, 8 gaps. All right, so we have 8 gaps. Is that okay? And now we have to compare with something called the difference. Difference means what? Difference means big minus small. All right, big minus small. That's called the difference. Big is what? 5 lah. Minus small, which is 4.8, right? Which is equal to what? Yo, Sally. Woo! 5 minus 4.8. Again, Krista, Sally is my calculator's name. Right? If your mom's name is called Sally, it's pure coincidence. All right? I'm not calling your mom. I'm just calling my calculator's name. All right? So 5 minus 4.8 is a 0.2. Can you see that? So that's the difference. So the reason why this is called gap and difference is because we are supposed to compare the gap. There are 8 gaps. And the difference is 0.2. And I believe in primary 5, you learn something called rate. Oh, I love rate. Rate is very simple. All right, let me admit another of your student, Marisa. All right, so what's the meaning of rate? Rate means what? 1粒苹果2块钱，2粒苹果4块钱。Oh, cannot speak Chinese, sorry. 1 apple $2, 2 apple $4. That's called rate. All right, so the meaning of rate is what? All right, rate is actually comparing what? Comparing 2 items. All right, different quantities. Means what? 1 apple, $2. 2 apples, $4. Can you see? Don't you think that I'm very talented? I can draw so nicely. I can sing song. Don't you want to enjoy coming to lesson next year? All right. Okay, so down here, right, the rate is something called the gaps versus the number. So 8 gaps is 0.2. And Kai-Han, wow! My goodness, Kai-Han, I haven't asked you the question. You got the answer already. Good job. All right, very fast. So 8 gaps is 0.2, right? Okay, so I will always find the 1. 1 gap is how much? All right, so from 8, right, how do I get to 1? Divide by 8. If I divide by 8 on the left-hand side, I will divide by 8 on the right-hand side. Why? This is called fatness. Sorry. Fairness, not fatness. Sorry. My English. All right, so down here we'll give you a 0.025. 0.025 is every one gap. One gap is 0.025. So this is 0.025. Can you see that? This is 0.025. This is 0.025. All right, and the number is down here. All right, the number is here. So how many gaps do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 gaps will be equal to 0.025 times 5. Hey, how come you all come in late one? My goodness. All right. Hey, the lesson start at 5:30. We start at 5:30 in future, can or not? All right, if you're coming back next year. All right. So children, for those who come in, Marisa, Tom, Hao Tian. All right. Just to let you know, my name is Ben Ong from Idiot Tuition. All right. So next year, I'll be the teacher teaching the primary 6. All right. So if you are going up to primary 6, of course, all of you are going up to primary 6. Don't be silly. All right, then you'll be seeing me. Is that okay? All right. So I just want to continue. 5 gaps equal to what? All right, you just take the down here 1. How to get to 5 is times 5. Down here you also must times 5. Why? Fairness. Press your calculator. 0.025 times 5 is equal to 0. What is this? 0. What? 125. Wow. 0.125, 0.125. You're so aggressive. Can you see not? 125. Okay, you're not funny again. You're very hard to make your smile one, At least Kai Han is relaxed, Jesslyn is relaxed. The rest of you, my goodness, so strict. All right, so 0.125, right? You have to add. Add from where? All right, so down here to down here, right? Down here to down here is 0.125. Okay, down here to down here is 0.125. So you have to add it from your 4.8. So 4.8 plus 0.125. Press your calculator. And that's the answer that Kai Han gave me just now. 4.925. Woo! Dun 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 dun. Oh, y'all don't play Super Mario, sorry. All right, that is my generation game. I'm so sorry. Okay, y'all play other games, right? Okay, fine. Roblox. All right, yeah, Minecraft, I know. All right, so y'all don't play my game. I don't play your game. Oh. All right, so children, can you see not? So this type of question got technique one. It's called gap and difference. And of course, you can do faster lah, because I'm explaining. All right, so I'm doing very slowly, one step at a time. But this type of question, I tell you, every time it comes out, right, you just apply this concept in. Every time you get the correct answer. Why not? Right. And children, just now I was talking about this 0.125, right? Can I just remind you all something? All right, I was thinking about this 0.125. Can I remind you all something? All right, there are 4 fractions, right, that you need to remember. Can you please remember this? Right, there are 4 fractions that you need to remember. One of them is half. Right, one of them is 1/4. One of them is 3/4. And the other one of them is 1/8. All right, so these 4 fractions you must remember, because your teachers are not creative one. They always ask you the same question one. Half means what? 0.5. 1/4 means what? 0.25. 3/4 means what? 0.75. 1/8 means what? 1/8 is the one I was saying just now, 0.125. All right, 125. Hey, don't go and challenge your friend. Hey, 125. No. All right. So 1/8 is like, you see got two circles, right? You see my so 0.125 lah. Right? It's like fighting at that. 1/8. Hey, don't complain to your mother and say that Mr. Ben on teach you how to fight. No. All right, I'm teaching you how to remember certain things. All right, ayyo. All right, and after that, right, these 4 fractions, right, you need to also translate into what? Percentage. 0.5 is 50%. 25 is 25%. This one is 75%. And this one is what? All right, this one is actually 12.5%. Can or not, children? All right, can? All right, so must remember these 4 fractions. All right, simple reason is because they always comes out. Your teacher are not creative one. All right, but good. Thank you that the teacher is not creative. All right, so they always come out the same thing. And when they come out the same thing, I apply the same thing every time. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher. Can? All right, so children, some of the important things, right, you just got to write down lah. How? All right, sorry. Can or not? All right, can, Very good. All right, so Marisa, are you there? Hey, just now Crystal. Then after that, she disappeared. My goodness. Did I frighten her away? Must be, right? I think so, maybe. Right, too fierce. Oh, Marisa, Marisa, you're not okay? Are you okay? Oh no. Oh, okay, I'm here. Okay. Oh, I was asking Marisa, are you okay? Then she said no. Oh, so scary. My goodness. I thought what happened. Okay. Come. Moving on to question number 2. All right. It's not question number 2 yet. All right. It's an extra question. All right. Can you please try this extra question, children? All right. You never see this in the worksheet. All right. All of you, can you please take out a rough piece of paper and try just for fun? All right. Hey, today's lesson is very chillax. Exam finished already. All right. Let's just do some fun math. All right. So you can try. Oh, yo. Stingray. Is it Stingray? Hey, you take penknife. Scary. Oh, you take penknife. Oh, yo. Today is what? Hey, Halloween is yesterday. Finish already. All right, hey, please be careful with the penknife, right? Your penknife a bit rusty. Please take care, can? All right, so actually, right, you know what is Halloween or not? Halloween is, the pumpkin. Then people dress up in witches, zombie. Do you know that Singapore got people celebrate Halloween or not? You know or not? Right, so actually, right, over the weekends, right, on Saturday, right, me and my wife, we were driving. So we purposely drive somewhere around Yishun area. So Yishun area down there got these people, right? Like those Eurasians are, those from America, from Australia and all this. So they stay in all those landed property. And they decorate their house until very nice, They decorate their house until like a haunted house like that. Seriously. So there's big pumpkins. There are some like, white cloth that is hanging in the air. So these people actually celebrate Halloween. And you can see people, right, Singaporean, we all dress up, they all dress up like the Chinese zombie, right? They also dress up like some dressing, some costumes lah, and they go and walk around. They go and walk around those landed property to what? Trick or treats, right? So they are celebrating something called Halloween also. Very interesting. All right, so I was driving the car, all right, and there was this very very naughty boy, I think, right? He was taking a baseball bat. Right, so he purposely stood in front of my car, Don't let me pass, Because, Halloween is supposed to scare people, you're supposed to dress up and scare people. So he was taking his baseball bat and stand in front of the car. Wow, don't want to move, Very brave, this boy. He's a boy, about 12 years old like that. Yeah. So eventually I just stood down there, wait for him, because there's nothing much I can do. You want me to run him over? Huh? If I run him over, then I'll be in prison teaching you already. Correct or not? Yeah. So eventually I let him pass. Yeah, then he eventually also try to scare you, boom, like that. Hey, you're all very brave, not frightened one. Not funny one. Okay, yeah. So got people celebrate Halloween in Singapore. Very interesting. Right, my first time also. Oh, your friend got a what? Lollipop. Nice. Yeah. So they go around asking for sweets, trick or treats. Yeah, so Singaporean got celebrate one. Correct. Okay, no problem, Stingray. Yeah, don't worry. Yeah, just asking you to be careful, that's all. All right, because it's quite dangerous. Okay, so this answer, wow, very good. Who is this? Kai Han? Huh? Oh, everybody listening to my story and only Kai Han is doing the question, which is the correct thing to do, Kai Han. All right, and his answer is correct. Good job. All right. So I got the first answer already. His answer is correct. Hey, the rest try, the rest don't just listen to story. You must listen and do at the same time. Right, sometimes I talk nonsense one. Yeah, I like to talk nonsense. All right, okay, and quick. This question, I need another person to give me the right answer. All right, that I will discuss with you guys. Anyone? All right, use your calculator. All right, feel free to use your calculator. Don't be afraid. Gerald. All right, almost there. Almost there, but it's not the right answer yet. All right. All right, thanks for trying. All right. Actually, it's not almost there. It's quite far, but you can try again. Okay, come. Let me try. Let me give you a clue. Okay, let me give you a clue. All right. And my clue, right, is my favorite, which is called what? Model drawing. Kelson spent 1/3 of his saving. All right. This is the saving. All right. You must understand, right? This 1/3 is from where? This 1/3 is from the saving. All right. So I purposely draw what? A long unit like that. All right. And this whole thing is supposed to be what? This whole thing is supposed to be called the what?